So today we're going to unbox the Mcdodo 90 degrees light cable, Type-C data cable. So it has a 1.8 meters or 5.9 feet in length. At the back we can see that it's 90 degrees design, LED light, charging and data sync, and a maximum current of 2 amperes, and a reversible charging port on the Type-C and the USB Type-A. So let's try to open it. So there. So as you can see, it's quite bent, but we'll try it out if it works. So I'm going to plug it to my power bank and this Samsung port. So it also has a design to arrange or organize your cable. So let's try it. So my power bank should lit up if so as you can see, it's charging. So why don't we try to reverse it? So yes, as you can see, it is also reversible. So you can charge through your USB-A Type-A with both sides. Thank you for watching, guys.